Saintmartin Island, a pearl in the sea, only coral island in Bangladesh. Saintmartin Island is something feel in heart, not just something see. You see the bay, the beach with mysterious coral, coconut trees, birds, fishermen. Hear the sounds of waves like a melody. All of this you don't just see or hear, you feel them inside as well. Such a strong appeal is here in Saintmartin Island. Saintmartin Island is a small island in the southernmost point of Bangladesh. Landscape is almost flat. Height is 3.6 meter above from the sea level, and total area is around 3 square kilometer. This island is around 9 kilometer far away from the mainland and 510 kilometer from the capital city of Dhaka. The old name of this island is Jazeera, named by Arab traders in the middle of 16th century. In the beginning of 17th century, Christian Father Martin came in this island, and since then it has been named as Saintmartin Island. Thank you.